Today is something completely different in Photoshop. It's not functional, but it's funny. And I'm gonna show you 2 Easter eggs in Photoshop. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erwin and this channel is all about photography and photo editing. If you're interested in these subjects, please consider subscribing down below and don't forget to hit the small bell notification icon so you stay up to date when I release a new video. I basically said it all. We need Photoshop and I'm going to show you 2 Easter eggs. Some funny little features or gimmicks you can use to fool your friends in your graphic school, or you can fool your photography buddies with these small little gimmicks or Easter eggs. Basically, there are some hidden features in Photoshop. So let's dive into Photoshop and let's get started.
Now we're back in Photoshop and let's get started on these Easter eggs, or these nice little gimmicks to tease your friends with some unknown or hidden features. Now, first of all, this has to do with bananas. We can get a small little banana in this toolbar here. And I'm going to show you how. You see these 3 little dots over here? This is your extended toolbar. It's only available in Photoshop CC, so think of that if you're looking for this. To get the banana here on the 3 dots, we need to go into Edit and then Toolbar. The Customize Toolbar window will appear, and we don't really need to customize the toolbar. The only thing we need to do is hold the Shift key and hit Done. And the banana appeared. To undo this, go back into the Toolbars menu, hit the Alt key and hit Done again, and the banana will disappear. This is the first little Easter egg in Photoshop. But the breakfast isn't complete without, yes, you guessed it, the toast and the coffee. So I will show you how you can get toast and coffee in Photoshop. For this we need to move over to Edit again and pull up the Preference menu with the Interface tab. Now we're in this window. I've got the medium colored theme selected. Normally I'm working in dark, so let's set this back. But it has all to do with this little color theme section. Now let's just hold Shift and Alt on Windows and hit the color theme. Just click it and it will appear as a toast. Now we want to change this toast into coffee. We can do this very easy. Just to complete the breakfast, hold Shift again, then Control on the Windows or Command on Mac and click the theme color again. And we get the coffee in the theme colors. Dark, medium dark, light, ultra light. If we want to remove this, simply hold the same buttons again. So Shift and Control. We're back to toast. Switch over to Shift and Alt. And we're back to the normal colors. Now if you apply the banana and the coffee of toast and set the color theme of your friends different, you can have a lot of fun. The coffee and toast only shows small icons. It doesn't really do anything. The same for the banana. It just replaces the 3 dots in the toolbar with a banana. It's just something fun to show you guys and something you can use to trick your friends.
So I hope you're going to use these small little gimmicks, these Easter eggs, to fool your buddies in Photoshop. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel And if you want to stay up to date, hit the bell notification button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.